Tiny Tidy Tuesday, making some arrangements for the planter on my deck. It's a fun tidy. Well, this is our new deck and I love it. And today is Tiny Tidy Tuesday and the plant stand, I'm going to put all kinds of arrangements on it. So this should be fun. Hi, I'm Sharon, and this is my YouTube channel, Sharon Shornagel. Feeling great today. I'm having all the signs of a crash for chronic fatigue. So I decided I'd just work on a small project, and it's on my deck, as you can see. I have this stand here in the corner. It's just black and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spots on it to put stuff. And I was going to buy some real flowers, and I decided nope, I don't do very good watering plants on my deck. So I am just going to put artificial flowers in. So I've just been playing around. As you can see, I've stuck a few things here and there. And now I got to make them a little more permanent so that the wind doesn't blow them away. I have these daisies. I have this nice pot. It's very heavy and got bees and cones on it. It had my tulips in it from the Dollar Tree, and the pot is also from the Dollar Tree. It was $3, but it's very heavy cement, so I know that shouldn't blow away. I have these pretty yellow black-eyed Susans. I have quite a few of them, so I am going to put them in this pot with a bunch of the foam in here so they'll be secure. And hopefully won't blow on a few tall ones. Well, I'd like to welcome you to my channel, and if you're new here, could you please subscribe and give me a thumbs up and leave me a hello saying where you're from and what your weather's like and how's your summer going. Anyhow, I am just going to sit on my deck and I'm going to make these arrangements and play some music for you and some birds tweeting. And we'll get this little stand all decorated up so that it looks really cute on our new deck. Stick this on here. Oh, that looks pretty. Okay, put Buddha back. Okay, spring. This is a nice little green plant. and this is a terracotta pot. Got them both thrifting. And I'm just gonna stuff some styrofoam or some florist foam in here too, just so I have something to stick it on. Okay, that's in there good and tight. I'm going to put some glue on this one. And I'll just stick this there as far in as I can, and you don't see it. There you go. Hopefully you saw that. Okay, I have my owl vase that I made in pottery. It has dirt in it. I'm going to leave the dirt in it. And I just have a nice piece of the large ivy that I'm just going to put in here. And maybe put a bit of moss around it. Might not have to. Let's just stick it right down in the dirt. Oh yeah, it wants to keep popping out. So let's put a flat piece of this florist foam in here. And we'll stick, yeah, glue this in. Oh, that's nice. Hi, it's me again. Anyhow, I got the ivy to stay in my owl, and I didn't feel like it needed any moss around it because you couldn't really see the styrofoam because he's kind of to the back of the stand. But I do like the green ivy in there. I think it looks really pretty. I put lots more florist foam in there so it's nice and tight. And the reason I am doing a voiceover is because if you'll see down there, that's my son, and he is cutting the grass and doing all the whippersnipping because it's supposed to rain for 3 or 4 days. But as I'm doing this voiceover, I can tell you it didn't rain, which was kind of funny. But anyhow, grass needed to be cut. So I hope everybody is having a nice summer. I am definitely feeling better as I've had a couple of days in bed and been very well taken care of with my husband and my son. And so today I'm feeling well enough to get a video out, which is part of the joy of my life, is doing my videos. So if you're new here, let me know who you are. I do like to know. And give me a thumbs up if you like this content. I did enjoy doing this little stand, and I am enjoying my beautiful new deck. I was going to do a whole video on the preparation of the deck, but I lost a bunch of the footage. So what I do have, I will put up. Okay, so in the next pot, which is another one of the clay pots that I got from the Dollar Tree, it's one of the ones with the bees and the honeycombs on it, and I have had this pretty red blossoms for quite some time, and I really, really like them. And I think they're going to look so pretty in that gray vase. These flowers look very, very pretty in that cement pot. And I've had them for a while and wasn't sure what I was going to use them for, but I think they're awesome. And they fit down there just perfect. Okay, now I'm bringing up a watering can. I thrifted this year. Oh, I thrifted this quite some time ago. And I had bought some succulents from the Dollar Tree, a long, long time ago. So I thought, well, this is the perfect time to put these two together. And they can just be another little accessory that sits on my deck. So I stuffed this full of florist foam too. So I had a couple of succulents there, and I decided I think I have one more in the house, so I went back in the house and I got another one. So as it ended up, I had 3 of those to put in there, and I think it turned out pretty darn cute. So I got the 3 put in there, and now I am putting moss around the succulents so that you don't see all the florist foam. And I think that looks much sweeter. Okay, here's the little shelf. And put the black-eyed Susans on top in that pot. I think they look nice. And there's Mr. Buddha sitting there. And there's the bunny. I put one of those green balls in front of him. Might see if I can find something for in front of the Buddha. And the owl is back there, and it has a big ivy in it. And sorry about my son's whippersnipping, but he is cutting the grass, and I'm not going to complain as it's going to rain again. And there's our plant, just the straight plant. It's just, they're all artificial, but I think they look just great, and I don't have to worry about them. I'm not sure what those flowers are, but I thought they were just so pretty. So I put them in that pot. And down below we have our little succulents. Of course, they're artificial as well. And I put them in a watering can that I thrifted a long time ago. I was going to build a fairy garden in that, but I never did. So anyhow, That's that stand, and I think it looks great on my patio deck. And I can change it up every year, every season, whatever I want. But there's my yard. My hawthorn tree is doing beautiful and everything's doing fine, and we're going to get more rain. That's why my son is busy cutting the grass. And here's a side view of the little planter. I think it looks really cute, even if the plants are artificial. That's my tiny tidy for this week, and I hope you enjoyed it, and please subscribe. And my next video will be Fairy Garden Thursday. Bye. I have my big comfy chair right beside it. My spot for the summer.